Welcome to a brand new tutorial series where you learn the basics of Python 3. And in this tutorial series, you'll learn fundamental concepts such as variables, lists, operating on these variables, conditions, and loops. And you can apply this knowledge to whatever program you want to make later on. Besides hacking, if you're trying to hack, get out of here. We do not need you over here. So let's get started. So to get started, we're going to have to download Python if you don't have it already. You're just going to download Python from the official website, which is the first one here, and there's going to be a link for it in the description if you're not trying to make a Google search. And you just download Python 3.11 right here. You just press on downloads and then press Python 3.11 and wait for it to download. And now that it's done downloading, as you can see right here, we're just going to press on it, this AMD 64. Now that Python is done downloading, you'll click close and you'll see it right here. And we're going to press right here on this this program right here, and here's what we're going to do. Your first line of code. So what we're going to type here is print, and then in brackets, and then type the quotation marks twice, and then here you're going to type whatever you want. So you can type I'm going to type here hello YouTube. You can also type here program is easy if that's what you believe. Or anything else, and then just click enter and it's going to print that out for you. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and press the notification button so you don't miss the next video where we'll be going over variables. See you in the next video.